Part 5. Running the system and next steps. We've built and linked all 3 agents. Now let's run the pipeline end to end and explore how to improve it. You'll see the system working together and get ideas for what's next. System demo. Here's what happens when you run the full setup. First, Trend Finder fetches trending AI topics like AI-powered health apps, new GPT-4 features, deepfake music trend, self-driving car AI update, and AI in education tools. These topics are printed or logged for the next step. Then, scriptwriter takes each topic and writes a video script. For example, it might write about how AI improves health apps or highlight the newest GPT-4 features. If a topic fails or lacks enough info, we can later improve by adding fallback options like web search or using simpler templates. Next is video creation. If you added automated video generation using text-to-speech and images, that runs now. Otherwise, you can pause and create videos manually or use pre-made content. After the scripts and videos are ready, SEO and Upload Agent generates titles, descriptions, and tags. For example, it may upload the video with the title, How AI is Supercharging Health Apps. You'll see messages like, Uploaded How AI is Supercharging Health Apps, Video ID XYZ123. This repeats for all 5 videos. At this point, everything is done. The system discovered topics, created scripts, and uploaded videos with very little manual effort. Quality check. Always check the output. Watch the videos or review scripts. Make sure the tone, facts, and metadata are right. Sometimes the AI might miss something, so quick edits may help. With better prompts or improved models, this manual review can shrink over time. Next steps and enhancements. Better video generation is possible. Use text-to-speech engines like PitSX3 or 11 Labs. Add visuals with image search APIs or stock photo sites. Tools like RunwayML or Pictory can generate full videos using your scripts. Some cost money, but many offer free trials. You can also build feedback loops. Imagine the pipeline checking which videos got the most views, then using that info to find similar trending topics next time. This makes your system smarter with each run. Tools like BabyAGI or AutoGPT can even generate ideas and follow up without human input. Just monitor them carefully. Add resilience. What if Google Trends fails? Add a backup that scrapes tech news. If video upload fails, retry after waiting. Add fallback logic to make your system reliable long-term. Want more reach? Translate scripts into other languages and post to different channels. Use free translation models or APIs. Your English video could also exist in Spanish or Hindi, expanding your audience worldwide. Improve SEO by tweaking titles and descriptions. Add emotional hooks, target keywords, and hashtags. You can teach the agent these best practices or update its prompts. A list of reliable tags like AI and technology can boost visibility. Don't limit yourself to YouTube. Post the same content as a blog or tweet. Agent 3 can be adapted to publish anywhere. This separation between creation and distribution makes your pipeline flexible. Key takeaways. You've used live data to find content, connected several AI tools, and automated a full workflow with mostly free resources. This is real-world automation that anyone can build. Stay ethical. Keep content useful and original. Double-check facts and avoid copying others. Platforms like YouTube are fine with AI videos as long as they follow basic rules. Congratulations! You now have a working system that can power a YouTube channel with minimal effort. With more tweaks, this could become a business. You've used skills like API integration, prompt engineering, and automation, all valuable in today's tech world. Keep an eye out for new tools and updates. You can improve any part of this system just by swapping in a better model or service. The modular setup makes that easy. Thanks for following the series. Now it's your turn to explore, improve, and build your own AI-powered success. Maybe next time, your YouTube channel will be the topic trending in Agent 1's results. Sources: High Trends for Googly Trends. Upwork AI Pipeline Project for inspiration, and 8N tutorials, YouTube API docs. If you enjoy the video series, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more AI-powered content creation tips and tools. https www.youtube.com/@DeriveAITrader. To get the most out of what you've learned, watch the entire 5-part series from start to finish. It's the complete blueprint for building your own automated YouTube video creator using 3 powerful AI agents. Building a multi-agent AI video creator system. When you're ready to take action, you can either build the 3 AI agents video creator pipeline yourself, or save time and effort by purchasing each agent separately, or get the full bundle at a discounted promo 50% off price. Simply click YouTube Video Pipeline tab at the following webpage for more information. https://deriveaitrader.com/AI services. You'll find the links to grab the full pipeline or any individual agent in the video description or pinned comment below. Build smarter, create faster, and let AI handle the heavy lifting.